Welcome back to the man you know by heart. If the static feels like distance, it is just a start. The dial tone is humming a familiar blue. I am wading through the copper, trying to find you.
Tap the digits of the year that we first met. Every silence is a debt that I have not paid yet. If you still recall the porch light in the rain, hold the pound key just to navigate the pain.
Press 2 for the ghost that we both made. I am circling the lobby of a heart on hold, tracing all the stories that we never told. Stay on the line while the connection dies. I am staring at the ceiling through a busy signal sky. Please listen carefully as our options have changed. The names on the dashboard have been rearranged. I am screaming at a sequence of recorded tape. There is no emergency and no escape. Transfer me back to the warmth of a hall before the winter turned into this firewall. Ooh, you reached a destination that does not exist, just a vapor in the wires and a heavy mist. I've memorized the sequence to hear your breath, but the automated lady sounds like sudden death. I tried to bypass the logic and the code, but I am stranded on a digit at the end of the road. The clock is ticking in a mechanical beat, while the asphalt turns to water underneath my feet. The redirection is a hollow sound. The elevator never hits the ground. I am punched into the keypad of your soul, trying to reclaim the pieces that you score. Press 1 for the memories we used to trade. Press 2 for the ghosts that we both made. I am circling the lobby of a heart on hold, tracing all the stories that we never told.